Tornado Aerith, or the Fort Lauderdale tornado of January 6, 2024, was the first tornado outside of the main Tornado Alley region. This tornado wasn't very powerful, of course. However, since it ripped right through a downtown district, Fort Lauderdale, this was a very powerful tornado in terms of the damage it caused, causing up to 20 damage points to assess from. This tornado also ripped through a heavily densely populated area, meaning that there were lots of videos taken of it. And it looks pretty well organized on the video films too. This still was a notable tornado, even if it still was only rated EF0. Thank you for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in the next video. I'll try to post videos other than weather updates very soon. It's coming very soon, don't worry.